Thanks, Wiggles.
Of Tweaker Geographic, we encounter Captain Crack Sparrow, also known to locals as Captain Jack Daniels. This tweaker pirate isn't searching for treasure or the Black Pearl, just vibes, validation, and his next port of poor decisions.
I love the walk. Let's see. Do I have... Is Brecken in here? All right, I'm going to play her video anyway. Oh, by the way, Leslie, thanks for the grandma video. I don't think I could play it, though, because it's from the New York Post. I'll think about it. All right, let's do this one's like 6-7 minutes. What's interesting about this case is that it ends, and it doesn't seem like it's going to end. You'll see what I mean.
Going to be clause 251837. El Prado versus Brittany Smith, George Jr., and others. On behalf of El Prado.
Nationwide.
And do I have someone here for our first defendant? Do we have someone for Brittany Smith? I see a Lauren Smith. If you happen to be Brittany Smith, please unmute and announce present. How about, do we have anyone here for George Ellison Jr.?
George.
No, it's just me, Your Honor.
Okay, you're Mr. Ellison.
Just me.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ellison. Thank you for being here. Ms. Karkos, to you as well. All right, please tell me the information for this one, Ms. Karkos.
This is failure to pay rent. Rent is $10.99 a month. He owes November, December, and the prorated $58.87.
It broke up right in the middle of your recitation, Ms. Karkos. I heard November through 4, and then it paused. So what's the with proration? What's the total?
The proration is $2,658.87.
All right. CARES property?
It is the notice to vacate. There's a 30-day notice to vacate given on November 13th. There's no subsidies. We're seeking back rent, court cost, and possession.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ellison. Thank you for your patience with us today.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome, ma'am. Go ahead.
All right. Ms. Karkos is here. She works on behalf of a company called Nationwide, and your landlord, El Prado, and many others employ her to come to court for them. So if you've never seen her or heard her name, that's why.
Okay, so it's a landlord-tenant case. I'm sure that's going to come clear. It's going to start hot, and it's going to end fast.
But Ms. Karkos got information from the landlord, and they said the case is non-payment. So she said rent is $10.99 a month, and then it remains unpaid since November. Is that all correct, Mr. Ellison?
First of all, ma'am, that is not correct because we paid following 1,105, which was 1,105. Somehow the landlord was. I have a lot. I mean, I already took my notes. I'm getting my child right now, but I can't say pertinent other stuff that needs to be addressed.
Mr. Ellison, you can win your case very, very quickly with me. This is not a big cost. Did you pay rent of the amount you're owing in the month of November? Did you pay your rent in full? Yes or no?
No, not for November, but only it was October.
I'm asking about November because we're not here about anything. November, December, and January. Did you pay your rent in full in November?
No, ma'am. I had someone that I was already getting rental assistance that I was getting blocked it from, and I have my notes right
He was getting blocked. I love the double EDs
here that I wrote that I'm trying to specifically tell y'all because that's what prohibited me because I never go without paying my rent. I've been 2 years of paying rent. Matter of fact, I've been investigating.
Mr. Ellison, you're beginning to yell at me.
I've been investing in real estate. Period.
Mr. Ellison, you're yelling at me.
No, I'm just saying.
Mr. Ellison.
No, I'm not.
You're being disrespectful, and I want to hear what you have to tell me.
You're typing fast.
Ma'am, you're not understanding. The landlord put my family in a hardship. Okay, I have children who are autistic. Okay, so one child that's waiting to go to school, the other child at school. But it somehow, when I have a job to go around their schedule, it's be convicted with their situation. So It caused it a hardship at my doorstep. Not to mention the harassment, the retaliation, the damage in my vehicles. All
Mr. Ellison, I'm gonna have to mute you. You're not related to what I'm here for. I want to know if you didn't pay November's rent, if there's a reason you weren't able to pay sufficient for you to have a legal defense. That's all I want to know.
She's always like this. She's always like this.
Mr. Ellison, you can unmute yourself now, but please remember we're here for a very specific issue.
okay, just a second. Now, the reason why I wasn't able to pay is because my children's situation. Their stuff are severe. Okay, you have to have a caregiver.
I
Okay,
understand that, sir.
you know, stuff like that. As an employment, you going around their schedule.
All right.
Somehow, it causes a conflict. It wasn't aware I wasn't able to pay my rent because I get out here and pay my rent. As a kid, I always get up and make sure. As a young child, I had possibilities as a man, either get a job trade or get a job. So I know how to get out here and make bills and make sure all my bills is paid. Somehow it's the mess that's going around that conflicts at my doorstep that stopped me from paying my rent.
What button? Conflicts.
And then when I heard one of them say, "Oh, you forgot to pay your rent," I'm like, I'm never late to pay my rent. Every time when I get paid, I always make sure my rent is paid. I gave them within a year or two of rent investments. So somehow we all hit rock bottom, and I ain't gonna lie about it. We all hit rock bottom. Whether it's a financial, it's a loss, or it's a job, or it's someone that terminated you for the skin of your color or discriminating. So we
Breaking this grammar school dream. Did it terminated you?
all hit rock bottom. I'm just gonna be honest. But it's always a way to get back up and get back on your feet and get out here and get something going. There's no excuses of not trying to make sure that you're able to pay my rent. Now, I'm just waiting on inheritance because otherwise I could pay my rent. I could knock that rent. You know, that's all I'm saying. But it's the land
judgment for the plaintiff, $2,658 in back rent. Either party can appeal. You have 5 days to appeal. Appeal bond will be $1,099, equal to 1 month of rent. All parties are excused. Thank you very much.
Your Honor, what was that number again? I'm sorry.
$2,658.
Wait. What did you say, ma'am?
The appeal bond is $1,099, equal to 1 month of rent. Yes, Mr. Ellison, the judgment.
What did you just say?
I'm trying to repeat myself, Mr. Ellison. The judgment is $2,658. That's back rent plus cost of court. Either party can appeal. We'll put the appeal bond equal to 1 month of rent, $1,099. We're going to email you information to both parties about your appeal deadlines and your appeal rights. We're going to send you that via email so you get it quickly. We'll also mail it to you. All right. All parties are excused.
Cheryl, I think it's impossible. I might have to remake that into a single video and keep track. Brecken, that was perfect, especially for this channel. More than just a Kevin. I kind of want to play it again. Yeah, that one's flow chart worthy for sure. Yeah, man. It's your in the house. I'm waiting on inheritance. Just waiting for somebody to die. Any year now. The inheritance. You know, that one to me was much funnier the second time. The first time I watched that one, it was just noise, and then it was over. Oh, that was great. Should I just go into the soft sit? Nobody sent me the soft sit. I wonder if it's an old one that just got reproduced. Yeah, what words? All right, let's do the soft. You know what? I'm gonna do the soft sit second. By second, I mean, after the next one, because I got a bunch of videos that are all headphone warning, And oh shit, that one's headphone. Is that headphone warning too? Yeah, whatever. Let's just do this offset. Go. I'll give him a fizz.
Sure, that's all it reads.
Oh yeah, Ace. I've seen that one before. I started rewatching. I'm still not sure that one's a soft sit, but I need to go back and watch it. But everybody else labeled it as a soft sit, so probably a soft sit. And yes, this one from Bodycam Pro.
102, show me traffic on this vehicle, Huntington Place.
That's what I got to do. I got to transcribe it. All right, where's the hair?
How you doing? Deputy Lowe with the Sheriff's Office, okay?
Going on top.
Reason for the stop, what's up with that tag? What tag is it?
That's the DOT, Department of Transportation tag, sir.
Do you have a tag for the vehicle?
Yes, so that is a tag for the automobile.
Okay, do you have a driver's license and registration for the vehicle? Okay. Do you have proof of registration for the vehicle? There's no state for that tag. It's not coming back to anything, so that's why I'm asking.
Here's my identification, sir.
Yeah, Lynn made me or knitted. I don't know the proper word. Made me 2 new fezzes. One with hair and one without.
Okay, that's a passport card. Do you have a driver's license? What's that?
The tassel.
Do you have a driver's license out of Florida or any other state? Registration or insurance for the vehicle?
Tim.
Crotchet. Crochet.
Sovereign.
Yeah, no. So you don't have a driver's license in the state of Florida, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
I have my identification here. Presenting to you, sir. My identification.
That's not a driver's license though.
Passport card.
Huh?
You have your body cameras on?
Yes, I do.
I don't see any red lights.
It's recording.
Well, that's a big promise there, Lynn. Oh, that's a big promise there.
I just want to make sure.
Okay. What I'm gonna have you do is turn the car off.
So where's my automobile?
What's that? Because I'm gonna have you step out, okay? You don't have a driver's license. You're not allowed to be operating the vehicle, okay? What's that? Because we're gonna have a conversation in the back of my car. What's that? Right now you're being detained. You understand?
Thanks, Twitch.
Operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. I don't know what that means, okay? Dan, go over here. We're gonna pull this. What's your first name?
Roll down your window. Ma'am, roll down your window. Ma'am, roll down your window all the way so we can talk.
Okay, so I'd rather not for my safety.
What's that?
I'd rather not for my safety. I can hear you.
Ma'am, you have to get out of the car, so go ahead and shut the car off and step out. You're not producing any of the required documents that you're supposed to have?
Right, so I can show you some documents.
I need a Florida registration.
Okay, so I'm presenting to you my ID, sir.
Okay.
Listen.
Here.
I'm not.
Let me have that. Let me have it.
So I'm presenting
Ma'am.
to you my ID.
No, I think it's in the middle.
It doesn't work that way, okay? I need your ID so I can run it.
Okay, so here's my ID, sir.
Okay, now do you have a valid registration?
Okay, so I have a bond for this automobile.
What's that?
I have a bond for this automobile. My paperwork for that.
Okay.
My paperwork.
Yes, I need your paperwork and I need your insurance. Okay?
He's got a bond for her automobile. Lady, renter's insurance does not cover your car.
Paperwork is good.
All right.
We'll go suddenly so my paperwork.
All right, go ahead. Just keep an eye on her.
Any weapons or anything inside the car?
Yeah, it sounds right. I think everybody's there.
Okay, well, I'm not going to have you dig through a bag right now. I'm telling you to unlock this car and step out. Do you understand me?
Sir, I'm getting my paperwork. He just asked me for my paperwork.
What paperwork?
I know. I have my stuff.
Gotta remember this one.
What are you trying to show me? Ma'am, what are you trying to show me? The only documentation I need to see is your vehicle registration, your proof of insurance, and your Florida driver's license. You showed me a passport ID. Okay. Your tag comes back to nothing.
You didn't present anything to me. Do you have a Florida
You reminded me
identification
of
card
something.
or a Florida driver's license? I'm sorry? Okay, why is that?
Because that was rescinded. That was rescinded, yes, sir.
Have you ever had one?
Voluntarily.
She returned it.
Oh, by the way, not a sovereign citizen, so please don't classify me as such. I know you
Sovereign citizen, sovereign citizen, sovereign. You're definitely a sovereign citizen.
guys have some sort of code terms that you guys use. Never claim to be. So please don't consider me that.
Right now you're operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license, okay?
Can you put me on a welfare check?
I don't know what...
I'm gonna move my bag here. I don't want to
And US 1.
put the light, I don't want to make any sudden movement. I just want you to know what I'm gonna do. I'm putting my bag.
Go ahead.
in the seat.
Why are you pulling in here? Do you live in here?
I reside here. Well, I'm domiciled.
So, ma'am,
I reside here.
what is this supposed to be?
That was my follow-up question. Thank you for feeding me to it.
I'm sorry? What is the...
No, I'm surprised nobody has done that. If I could figure out how to become a better video editor, I definitely need to adjust that commercial.
What does that mean? Where's the... So, okay, so this is not... So where's the registration for the vehicle? Okay, so you understand that by the Florida state statute, you need a registration, okay? And you also need a Florida driver's license or your driver's license from another state. You understand that, correct? What is there not to understand? You're operating a motor vehicle in the state of Florida. Okay, so you're responsible for knowing the laws. What identification? No. You are required to provide a driver's license. I have it. It's over here.
Ma'am, unlock the car and step out. I am not asking you. I am telling you, step out of the car. Do you understand me?
Okay, so am I being...
If you do not step out of the car, I will break this window and I will drag you out of the car. Do you understand?
So now you're threatening...
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, okay?
You just told me that you're going to...
Unlock the car and step out. Do you understand what I am telling you?
Glass shatters everywhere. Ready, go.
Ma'am, don't turn this into something that it doesn't need to be, okay? If you step out and you cooperate with us, we'll cooperate with you. If you do not, you're going to go to jail.
Unlock the car and step out of the car now.
So,
I found the car.
Crap, she got out. I
Back
thought
here in
for
front
sure
of
we're
my car.
getting a broken window.
So let's try this again. Do you have a driver's license issued in the state of Florida? No.
No,
She
I don't
does,
have
but
it.
it's suspended. Same with the
Well,
car. The car's
That
registration.
was surrender, sir. So
Okay.
that
It says
voluntary.
it says
I
suspended,
understand that. That
but
was
you also
voluntary.
have no insurance,
Okay.
and your registration was
So
canceled.
the driver's license was surrendered voluntarily. So I understand that's probably how it looks in the system. But I also have paperwork for that, but that's back in my car. So
Okay.
showing that I have my driver's. I went to the DMV and I surrendered that voluntarily. I have my paperwork.
Because it was suspended.
Right. So
That's why you
I
suspended.
understand that's
So you
what it
realize
says in the
you
system.
know you don't have a license and you're driving. All right, your car's not insured, and it's
Sir, this is clearly this officer's first experience with the sovereign citizen because he's explaining things, and that's a waste of time for all of us.
not registered. All right, and you can't drive like that in the state of Florida. All right.
So
Your vehicle is going to be towed,
Do me a favor.
and he's going to write you some tickets.
So why is my vehicle being towed?
because it cannot operate on the roads in the state of Florida. It doesn't have insurance and is not registered.
So who is ordering the vehicle to be? I mean, my automobile to be towed? Who is?
Ma'am, we are law enforcement officers of the state of Florida. We enforce the laws of the state of Florida. That's the rules here. If you don't want to abide by the laws, man, that has nothing to do with us. Okay? And we're
You done with your phone call? Who are you talking to on your phone call?
I'm talking to a family member.
Okay.
Sir.
Put the phone on top of his head.
And if you, I think that pisses everybody off the most too. If you've noticed in some of these plea deals, a lot of times they'll plead to the no insurance and they'll get the license, the suspended license or driving under suspended license dropped. They'll get the registration drop. They usually keep the driving without insurance.
Okay, so sir, why do I have to put my phone?
Because
Well,
right now you're
50
being
without the
detained, okay?
license,
You're
I
not
think.
listening. We're not going to play this game, all right?
Yes. 13th Amendment violation, according to her.
Okay. I'll just.
Pocket.
Have a seat. What up, what up? I'm not playing this game. She's going.
She knows her driver's license is suspended too. So
2102 adult female 1015. What were those papers that she handed you?
Just make sure.
Dan, can you stay with her real quick, please?
So it has her name on there. So it's not that she's. Well, you have to confirm that's her name.
Huh?
Okay. Is it Antonia? Okay. Yeah. So she provided.
Is that the name that was on her, that little ID she gave you?
That guy Cameron lied to me.
She gave y'all ID?
Passport identification card. So she knowingly is driving without a license. Okay. Before I ask you some questions, I'm going to read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have a lawyer present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a hire lawyer, will be appointed to represent you for questioning. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering anytime you speak to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I don't understand.
Yes or no? Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Well, I'm not waiving any of my rights, sir.
I'm not waiving any of my rights, sir. He's not asking you to. By the way, does anybody have overstand on their bingo card? Because I think we get one of those.
I can't hear you.
I'm
What?
not waiving any of my rights, sir.
I'm asking you yes or no. Do you understand what I just read to you?
So I overstand what you're saying, sir.
Okay, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk with me?
No, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Yes. How you doing?
I'm doing well.
All right. So what was her name?
Her name is Antonia.
Antonia. Okay. So my Antonia is gonna go to jail today. Okay.
But she's gonna be why is she going to jail, sir?
She does not have a valid license, and she has knowledge of that, and her vehicle is also not insured, and it's not registered either.
Doesn't she doesn't even have a license. Her license was
Suspended.
surrendered.
It's suspended.
Her license was surrendered before all of that right there anyway.
Right, but you understand that you don't need to have a physical license for your license to be suspended.
This is your wallet.
Yes, sir.
It's going to be
that's
coming
my
with you.
wallet.
Your wallet and your phone is going to be coming with you, okay? Your car is being towed.
Okay, so, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Nice door slam.
In order to operate the vehicle, on the roads in the state of Florida, you need to have a valid Florida driver's license. Okay, so that's why she's going to jail, because she does not have one, and she has knowledge that she does not have one.
No insurance on the vehicle either.
And there's no insurance on the vehicle, and she doesn't even have a tag on the vehicle.
Tag.
It's a tag that is not recognized in the state of Florida.
Ooh, did you take a picture?
Okay, so she'll be booked into the Indian River County Jail tonight.
Tiny.
She was charged with driving with a suspended license, resisting arrest without violence, failure to register her vehicle, and having no insurance. She was sentenced to 12 months of probation. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.
And she still didn't learn. I told you how I got hit by a soft sit one.